Hello everyone. This printer is HP MV6120E. I'm going to show you how to print documents from mobile phone with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via a Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. In this case, we connected both via a wireless network. And to print documents, you go to My Files, select My Files, then select Documents, or if you want to print photo, then you select Print Photo Image. So you want to select Documents, then scroll down and select the document you want to print out. Select the document. You select just once. When you select once, you wait for the document to open. This is a document we want to print out, 2-page document. Tap on the screen, then go on top, select 3 dots, then select Print. Scroll down. You scroll down to select the correct printer and also select the size of the paper as A4. We want to print this color, 2-sided. Orientation is portrait. Then you select a yellow printer icon to print the document out. Select Print. So the document is printing. If you change your mind, you can select Cancel from the touch screen. From the LCD screen, you can select Cancel. This is the document we printed, double-sided. Another way to print documents with this printer and your mobile device is for us to use HP app. This printer and mobile phone are connected together via Wi-Fi network and also via HP app. So this is the printer HP MV 6100 series. So select on the printer. Once you select on the printer, it will show you all the features. Then scroll down to select Print Documents. Select Print Documents. Select PDFs, then select the document from the list. This is the document we want to print, 2-page document. Select Print Preview. Then scroll down. We printed earlier double-sided. Now we want to print black and white and single page. So select one-sided and color, black and white. Scroll down to select more option. Quality, automatic. You can select best or normal. Fill page, then you go back, then select Print. These are documents we printed out, black and white, and printed this one color. Now what I want to do is to show you how to print photo. To print photo, just load the photo paper you want to use. So I want us to print 4x6 photo paper. This is 4x6 photo paper. You need to make sure the smooth part need to face down, the rough part need to face up. So we want to load 4x6 photo paper. So we're going to remove the A4 paper, then take 4x6. Smooth part need to face down, then adjust the paper. So this is how to load 4x6. It will show you 4x6 or 10 by 15 centimeter. So adjust it. Then close the cover, and it will show you change paper. Then you select modify, then type. Select the type as HP photo paper. You scroll down to select other glossy inkjet photo paper. Then select the size. Scroll down to select 4x6. 4x6 inch. Then select done. So the paper is now set for 4x6. To print photo from your phone, the same procedure. From HP app, select print photos. And once you select print photos, it will show you all the photos on your mobile phone. So select on the particular one, then select add. Once you add the photo, it's going to retrieve the size. So this is the photo we want to print, and other glossy inkjet, and the size is 4x6 inch. Then you select next. If you want it to be in landscape, then you select landscape. The size change to landscape. We want this in portrait. Select portrait. Then you select next. Then scroll down, select number of copies. Print quality, we want this to be normal. You can select best. Then, and also color. Then you select print. This is the photo we printed out. This is how to print documents and photo with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.